Hello everyone, friends! Today on the channel I'll show you how to use Steam for beginners. I'll cover the main points. So you've downloaded Steam and are logging into your account. Yes. After that we have a store where you can buy games, just select the one you need. Or use the search bar, type the game you want, open it and click the Add to Cart button. Click View My Cart and then proceed to checkout to use your payment method and make the purchase. You can also gift a game to a friend by clicking the Purchase as a Gift button and going to the Gifts section. And give it away. To add someone as a friend, click on Friends, Add a Friend, and they need to give you their code. You copy and paste it here. There, next. Next step. To launch and download a game, go to the library on your home page. Open the game you want, and you'll see either a download button or a play button. After you download and launch the game. That was all for today. Goodbye, everyone.